Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nail Art. So this video about beautiful nails. Nail art is one of the hot trend into the world of fashion. Girls and are now showing a more interesting in this are now going in trend. They feel it's more easy and average to appreciate this look by curling their nails. Then spraying time to adding up up wardrobe to a pink to a participate outfit. Are you consider applying to our curriculum of our special ocean to adjust want to learn more about them in this with we are exploring the effect from this increasing of popular beauty trend and aware it's a more than just a style from how they are applied and maintained to other health benefits. Get ready to explore all other it is a know about acrylic nail. You might have to assume acrylic nail is a nail salon around your house to Instagram and you might have even to answer to following yourself. Acrylic nails are no are more than just a visual trend, and many people don't know the effect about them. In this post, we to look at our acrylic nail or a become to a popular and will also be a benefit and our topic. Keep reading to a lot and more about acrylic nails. How are some of the interesting activity nails are designing for your project? You do not have to go or any pressure to it to just your inner to nails. To factor a more fashion ladies or just to 10 nails vlogs. If you have been hunting to a further latest to another designs, a manicure trend and a more and some research to attempt to keep your nails beautiful and highly bookmarks all of the link we are suggest at the popular nail blogs as you are incredibly useful and are reflect without into a woman for a lot to a life and a age. If you are practical have to some blog and unfamiliar areas, the pocket hole in your mat to you are interested in occurring then a looks you want to a fashion a runway on your trips then a doing through a professionally a blog is ideas for a you. Going through to a tip to a 10 pick to a best novel epilogues and a casual finger frame up to their next point job. If you are considered getting to a rockling nails to a partner and interesting what they are a nut and what to a process and naturally. Acrylic nails are a type of artificial nails that is made up from a mixture of a liquid monomer and a powder polymer. The nail technique will first apply to a primer to your natural nails, which help to the oral clean water to your nails. They will then create to a costumes fitted to a temple for your nails out of paper and a plastic. After your natural nails to are prepared, the technique will apply the acrylic nail mixture to your nails. Shape them and catch to under a UV and a light.